So there's this polyunsaturated, the term down there last time, like right in front, like other slides. So polyunsaturated, it just means that the substance contain more than one carbon-carbon double bond.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you have this story down here about saturated and polyunsaturated, right, involves this thing called fats, which is the margarine and butter, and then vegetable oil.
Mm.
So fats have higher melting point than vegetable oil, then they're solids, and they have more saturated fat molecules. Saturated means this one, right, has less double bonds. Or inside there is less molecules with double bonds. So the double bonds are more or less eliminated. Then in vegetable oils, right, they are liquid at room temperature.
Yeah.
So they contains
Lower proportion. Okay.
you just remember vegetable oils contains more carbon double bond.
Okay.
Then fats, the margarine and butter contains less double bond. So if you want to compare it, it looks like that because fats, right? The all the double bonds are open up already, so they are like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Then the oil one is more complicated looking. So that this thing, right, it will lead to the process of the industrial process of manufacturing margarine. How you get margarine is you take vegetable oil, which contains double bonds, then you throw in hydrogen gas.
Oh.
Yeah. So when you throw in hydrogen gas in this condition, addition process appear. Then this thing gets eliminated. So once the double bond has been taken out, right, then it will become margarine or butter. But this case is because it's vegetable oil, right, then it will become margarine.
Okay.
So there is a variation of this question, a calculation question. What it does is, right, they give you a scenario where they say this molecule unsaturated molecule. Then after that, they will say after they pass a certain amount of hydrogen gas into that oil, then you get margarine. So they give you a process. Then after that, then they calculate how many double bonds are there in the molecule. There is such a thing going on.
Okay.
Yeah. So you take note, you may see it. So the conversion is a hydrogenation process. So once the double bond get taken out, then the margarine become harder.
Yeah. Okay.